Step 1. Open Pinterest app and search for any background you want. Step 2. Click on the three dot at the top right corner and select Download to save it on your phone. I'm going to download some images of men and people praying, so I can teach you how to create your own background in Picart. Now, let's create our background using Open Picart and click the plus Select button. Blank to create a blank work area. Select Add Photo to add any photo you want for your background. You can add a maximum of 4 photos at a time before clicking the Mark button. Use the nodes around your image to resize and position your image. It is very important to always resize your image using the node or handle that I just used now to avoid stretching your image. Select the layer button at the top side of the app and select Move Down to move the new photo to the back. Select the Eraser button at the top of the app and adjust the settings. Rub your finger around the area you want to blend. Click on the down arrow at the top right corner to save it on your phone. Or select a new background, maybe plain background or with some effect. Add the photos you need for your background. Use the eraser tools to blend the images. Always remember to reduce the hardness and opacity for the blending to work. Note: don't click the Mark button until you are done with the blending. Picart also have the blending tools, which is awesome. Select Blend down here. Select Screen or any style you want to blend. You can adjust settings you like in the eraser button, opacity, size or hardness, and lot more. Picart is more than this. You can subscribe, Hit the notifications button and like my video for more.
Wait for it!
The next tutorial is masking tutorial in Pixel app. So subscribe, like and comment to get notified. Beloved, technology.
Please survive to believe.